Hello, welcome once again to another edition of ESQL Solving Industry Problems. As you can see in front of you, we have a wonderful project today, and the project is clear. It is on reporting. What kind of reporting is this? Is on the project management, and what industry do we have in front of us is on the retail. Now, as you see, our three executive officers are not looking happy. Let's see why today they are not looking happy. Yes, they have in front of us their project aim, and clearly that is why they're not smiling. And let's see how we can solve this. They're using Excel, and this is the project aim is as regards Excel clearly. What do they want for us to achieve? They want a business insight. What kind of business insight? They want A, for us to generate a reusable report based on. Based on what? We have A and B. Alright, the first bit about reusable report, they want us to generate project status in progress. Alright, they want us to generate a report status in progress. All right, that's fine. The part B of this, they also want us to provide aggregates. Okay, aggregates of what? Of A and B. The first one by project name. That's fine. We can achieve that. The next bit, they want us to achieve a grand total of all associated projects. What's projects of all these projects? Right, I see. I now know why they are not looking happy. Alright, because this is quite a complex one to achieve, but it's kind of a recurring thing for most projects. So let's see how we can do this. What we see now in front of us here, I can see that they have the project raw data on the next page. And they have also number 2, we need to achieve this with our formulas, and they have a constraint, which the constraint is 0 Excel formula knowledge. What kind of result will I be providing today? Let's have a look. Let's go to the next part of this presentation. Yes, I can see, just so you know, this is still the project aim where what I just went through. Now this is the raw data. Wonderful. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Inspecting the columns, I can see we have the project ID, the project name, which is very important because, as you can see, they want us to provide aggregates based on the project name. What do we need again? I can see the grand total. If the grand total is here, I'll be looking at the budget. I'll be looking at the sum of this budget. What else do we need? They want in progress. Oh wow. Then I'm looking at F status. Project status is in progress clearly. Alright, I can see one is here. The next is here. And so on and so forth. Now you might be wondering, why will the company want this kind of insight in project reporting? The results, it's here. The reason are here. As you can see, what are the needs for this? Number 1, to monitor budgets of ongoing projects. Yes, and that's exactly what we're trying to achieve today for these 3 senior executive officers. What are the benefits? So you can see, let's pick let's pick number 3. Number 3 here is greater accountability for project managers. Yes, if we can get them this result, they'll be able to account more based on that particular project portfolio. So how am I going to do this? Let's have a look. My results. Let's have a look. What kind of result will I be providing? Moving on to the next bit, you know already it is Excel, and I'm going to be providing ESQL to make this happen. Just so you know, I'm using the latest version of ESQL. As you can see, ESQL is here. This helps you to run SQL in Excel. Our latest version also includes now ePython, allows you to run Python in this same application. The same process, nothing is different. We keep it simple and straight. I'll be providing using ESQL to provide a simple solution to the managers, just like this. This is just a demo. Let's see how the real one is going to be. Okay, at the end of the day, I hope to make everyone in this company happy, like always, providing the solution using ESQL on this bit. All right, so I'm going to run the demo now to see how we can provide this very tasking situation for the managers to put smiles on their face. Now, the first thing I always do is to load up ESQL. As you can see, ESQL is loaded in front of you. This is the start button, but what I always do, I come and inspect the data. If you remember, we had some snippet of the data, but I need to know how large is this data. I'm clicking on column A now. I'm looking at, I come to the bottom here. I can see we have 719 rows of data. So minus the header, it should just be 718. All right, what do we have here? Inspecting the data, I have column A, which is the product ID, column B, which is the project name, C, the budget, D, the start date, E, the end date, and F, the status. So what concerns us today, to make it simple so we do not forget our project aim, we need to concentrate only on specific projects. What projects are we looking at? They want us to kind of pay more attention, give a report as regards the projects that are in progress. So we're looking at this, for example. They want report of this. They want this one, and on and on and on. They want us to bring a filter of that. After doing the filter, they want us to now sum up the C column based on that filter that we've gotten. I'm going to highlight this. So step 1, we filter. Step 2, we sum it up. Then there's a particular B part of this project. They want us to get the aggregate of the sum on a fresh column. That is a very, very difficult thing to achieve in using formulas or using pivot table and the rest. But we're going to demonstrate it now to show you how easy it is to use ESQL to achieve this. So what I'm going to do now, simple and easy, I'm just going to load up ESQL interface. I just need to come to SQL results, load it up. Let's see, I'm going to use the big screen. Just going to yeah, that is it. Yes. So what do we have in front of us here? Let's have a look. Let's clear this away. Yeah, let's come a little bit backwards. Yes. So I have a script already that can do this. You can get this script from us totally free to run your projects. What is it going to give us? As you see in front of you here, the key of this script that you can use multiple times. Remember, the project aim is for us to provide them with a script where they can use it over and over. Now look at the middle of this script. This is the key of this script. What it does is guess the project name, sum up the total budget that they want, and get it from where? From the project sheet. The project sheet is a table. That's how ESQL recognizes it. Where's the project sheet? Down here where I was before. So it's going to get the 2-bit now, the project name, and sum the budget. It gets the project name, which is this, then sums this one up. Then the last bit, where this bit now filters the report is getting from this select statement. It now filters it here where we meet the criteria that they want, where status, column F, is equals to in progress. Now guess what? That is the middle, that's the key thing of it. I now wrap this main key script in the middle with a select statement from above. What is this select statement doing above? It's just going to get the total budget. What's the total budget? Look at the total budget here. So this script that is wrapping all the script now ends here as the total budget, which means now I've explained these bits away from our script. what is next from our script. I now did a select above that selects the name of the result of the middle, gets the status of what is in the middle again, then format the total budget. As you can see, total budget is here. This above script is just formatting it to make it look fine. Then gets every other thing that it did not get here. As you can see, if you look at, for example, looks, there's no status in the middle. Look at status here. I want status to come out, but there's no status in this middle. That's the reason why the last script now come in. The last script is now getting the project name, the status, the project name, the status, and some also the budget from the same condition and end it with as T1. Let's run this script and see what the results will be.
SQL operation started.
Alright, ESQL is doing its thing.
ESQL operation finished.
ESQL is about to finish. ESQL has finished. What do we have in front of us? Let's have a look. Absolutely. Let's look how many 9 seconds. 9 seconds it went in there to filter 718 rows of data to provide you with this simple report. Let's have a look. Look at your wonderful graph. Let me just add labels to the graph. I think that looks okay. Yep, so I'm just going to add label to this. For my label, that there's label there already. Add label, yes. Alright, so we have the label on each other there. So what do we have in front of us here? I'm just going to run down the result. What they want us is to provide a clear report where they can see only the status projects that are in progress. We provided it. The first column is project name. They want to see the project name. This is the project name, and this is the status. All this inventory system, which is under the project name, and website upgrade, they're all in progress. Now the column E is the total budget, adding up every single thing that includes inventory system. In case you forget what I've just done here, let me make it clear. If you come back to the project, you see there's lots of different project IDs with some similar project name. Going through this multiple data takes lots of time, but I've provided it with this script right now to give you this simple result that they want. Now column E totals, the total gives you the total budget, which is this and this. As you can see, they are different, right? Because they are different, they want another column that gets the total of these two columns. That means the total of these two columns is this here. This is absolutely difficult to achieve if you're running this on with formulas and whatever you need to use to achieve this, or with Power Query and the rest. But ESQL has done it simple and neat, as you can see. So what am I going to do next? I'm just going to comment this out. Let me comment it out. I'm going to be using the green. I'm just going to put in what they want. What do we have here? As you can see, we have, let me wrap that up. Yes, let's see. Let me bring it out. Okay. As you can see, this is the script. I just put the heading there. This is the script, and the next bit here is the result. Simple